Hi class! Welcome to week 8 of distance learning together. It's an exciting week. We are going to be doing 3 new things together this week. The first new skill that I'm going to teach you is 4 prefixes in reading. We'll go over that in our lines of print in just a minute. You'll also be starting a new unit in science. We're going to be talking about plants and what they need to grow and survive. And then we will be starting a new unit in math. We will be looking at even and odd numbers. All right, let's get started with our phonics skill. Our first prefix this week is the prefix mid. Your turn, prefix. And remember, prefixes come at the beginning of a word, right? Okay, our next prefix is non. Your turn, prefix. Good. The next prefix is miss. Your turn. Ready? Read. Good. And the last one is micro, which means small. Your turn. Ready? Word. Good. Prefix, I should say. Now, when we read a prefix, what I want you to do is to read the base word first. So in your brain, you would cover up the prefix, read the base word, and then put it together as your whole word. Let's do this one together. In my brain, I'm going to cover up that prefix mid, read the base word, which says night, put it together. My whole word is midnight. Yep, means the middle of the night. Let's look at another one. Here's my prefix non. If I look at this word, in my brain, I can cover that prefix up, read the base word sense, put it together, and make a new word. Ready? Word nonsense. That means it does not make sense. My next prefix is miss. Let's look at this word. Ready? Cover up that prefix. The base word is good. Put it together. Whole word. Nice job. Mistake. This word is a 3rd grade word. We have a base word, a word ending, and a prefix. Let's look at what to do here. The first thing I'm going to do is lead my brain right to this base word, which is lead. Okay. Then add my word ending, ing. What's that part of my word? Leading. Then put my prefix on, miss. Now let's read the whole word together. Ready? Misleading. Whole word, misleading. Good job. Let's look at a word with the prefix micro. Here's a word. Take off that prefix in my brain. Look at just this base word, wave. Now let's put the prefix back on. Ready? Whole word, microwave. Good job, friends. Okay, today for your lines of print, I just want you to read these words with prefixes out loud. You can read them right on your computer screen. You can read them to somebody at home. Then you'll open up your 2 stories in your reading journal today. You'll go through your fiction and nonfiction books, write your 3 sentences, type them right into your Google slide, log on to Imagine Learning, work on some science inquiry questions. For your science page, you're going to look at the picture and then think about what you noticed, what you already know, and what you still wonder about. And then for math today, you'll watch our short video. You'll do some problems with even and odd numbers. You'll make some groups that are equal. And you will end math in Prodigy today. I have assigned the even and odd lessons for Prodigy, so you'll notice some new games starting today. Have fun and work hard, friends.